Good evening, respected members, and hello, dear students. Hi, this is CA Pratik. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GST and Customs Act Fun Learning. Today, I would like to discuss one important change which is being proposed in Union Budget 2021. This update is about GST Audit Section 35(5) getting omitted from GST Act. Yes, let us discuss this. See, you all are aware every registered person as per section 44(2) of the CGST Act and as per section 35(5) of the CGST Act, every registered person whose turnover is about 2 crores were required to file GSTR 9 annual return, and along with that they were required to file GSTR 9C GST audit and a reconciliation statement. So this was required earlier. Now what was happening? Whose responsibility was it? GSTR 9 annual return, this was responsibility of the taxpayer. The taxpayer was required to digitally sign. Cost accountant or chartered accountant did not sign. However, GSTR 9C, the reconciliation statement, that was required to be digitally signed by a cost accountant or a chartered accountant. The onus, the responsibility, certification was by chartered accountant or a cost accountant. Now, what was happening everywhere? You all must be aware, all the taxpayer used to give preparation of GSTR 9 as well as GSTR 9C to whom? GST auditor. No taxpayer was preparing annual return on its own. Everywhere, GSTR 9 as well as 9C, both were being prepared by GST auditor. That is chartered accountant or a cost accountant. And now, even I used to do it. All the GST auditor, whatever error, whatever omission, discrepancy they used to find in GST audit, whether it was related to place of supply, time of supply, input tax credit, value of supply, or maybe reverse charge. They were all making the taxpayers pay through DRC 03 by selecting what? Annual return, not reconciliation statement. So even I used to do it, that जो भी गलती मिलती थी taxpayer की, any problem, we were making them pay. All the mistakes were identified during GST audit in DRC 03. But we were selecting what? Cause of payment. What we were selecting? Annual return, not reconciliation statement. We all used to select annual return and we used to make the payment to the government. But who has identified this error? GST auditors. It is only during GST audit that we are making the taxpayers pay this amount to the government. Now, this happened. What happened in this case? Government took this point negatively. Government observed that they have earned GST of rupees 3176 crores in GSTR 9 DRC 03. So government thought that it is the taxpayers who have correctly paid 3176 crore on their own, not the auditors. However, the taxpayers in GST audit in 9C, government has earned only 392 crores by DRC 03. So government thought GSTR 9 में 3176 crore कमाए. Taxpayer are paying on their own. What are GST auditor doing? Only 392 crores. Government took this point negatively. So in Union Budget 2021-22, government proposed to omit Section 35(5) of the CGST Act 2017 without realizing the fact that it was because of GST audit that taxpayers were paying in annual return DRC 03. So now they are planning or they are seeking to delete Section 35(5), omit the section and remove GST audit and the reconciliation statement. Okay, this is just a proposal. For financial year 1920, GST audit is still alive. This may be there from 1st of April 2021. Okay, so now you all must have heard there is havoc in the market. Many practicing chartered accountant, cost accountant, they are afraid that what about that practice? Since GST audit is cancelled, omitted, there will be huge revenue loss. There will be shutdown of the practice. But wait, don't worry. First, listen to this update also. In Union Budget 21-22, government seeks to substitute Section 44 of the CGST Act. Annual return को substitute कर रहे हैं ये लोग. Now what they are proposing, every registered person shall be required to file GSTR 9 annual return, which may include a reconciliation statement self-certified. Self-certified reconciliation statement. So both the things are still there. But this time, instead of GST auditor, it will be the taxpayer who shall be digitally signing, certifying both the things. Okay, so just a responsibility has been shifted from GST auditor to the taxpayer. Correct? Do you really think the taxpayer will be able to prepare annual return? Do you really believe the taxpayer will be able to prepare reconciliation statement? Don't you think they will seek the professional help? Yes, obviously they will. In fact, just the responsibility has been shifted. Yes, you will face some issues in monetary terms, in fees terms, it will reduce, but the work is not gone. So there should not be much panic in the market. Okay, also additionally, if you think carefully, this is loss of the government. This is loss of the government because we, during GST audit, we're making the taxpayers pay the required GST. Now, without GST audit, do you really believe taxpayers will pay anything? They will not pay. So this is loss of government. So I seriously request government to reconsider your decision. Do not omit section 35(5). It will be loss of the government. So this was the important update in Union Budget 2021-22. I will keep giving you all the updates. Request you to kindly subscribe my channel. And if you have liked the video, kindly share with maximum members. Okay, just one important update. I am going to begin one GST course. So this is just a demo for you.